In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your published Lovable project using Hostinger DNS settings. To get started, open your published project inside Lovable and go to the custom domain setup area. This is where you'll find the connection details needed for your domain. Take a moment here to carefully review the values Lovable provides because you'll be using them exactly as shown in your DNS records. Usually this includes an IP address for the root domain and a host URL for the www version of the domain. Keeping this page open in another tab can make the process much easier and help you avoid typing mistakes. Next, log into your Hostinger control panel, also known as hPanel. Once you're inside, locate the DNS zone editor for the domain you want to connect. This section is where you manage the records that tell the internet where your domain should point. If your domain has existing records, be careful not to change unrelated entries unless you're sure they're no longer needed. The goal here is to update only the records required for your Lovable project. Now add an A record. In the host field, enter the @ symbol, which represents the root version of your domain without www. Then in the points to or value field, enter the IP address provided by Lovable. This record tells your main domain where to send visitors. Double check the IP before saving, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. After that, add a TNAME record. In the host field, enter www. Then in the target, points to, or value field, paste the designated Lovable host URL exactly as provided in the custom domain setup. This record makes sure that the www version of your domain also routes correctly to your project. Once that's entered, save your changes. After saving both records, keep in mind that DNS updates are not always instant. In some cases, the changes may start working within a few minutes, but it can also take longer depending on propagation. If the domain doesn't connect right away, that's normal. Give it some time, then return to Lovable, and check whether the domain has been verified successfully. That's the complete process. As long as your A record points to the Lovable IP, and your name for www points to the Lovable host URL, your custom domain should be set up correctly through Hostinger.